the need for a common way to count, combined with some creativity and hard work, led to the development of Roman numerals. There are 7 symbols used in Roman numerals. They are I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. With these symbols, you can make pretty much any number you can think of, except for fractions, decimals, negatives, 0, so maybe there were a few flaws. Remembering the 7 main Roman numerals can be easier if you use a mnemonic device. Try this one. I value xylophones like cows do milk. I value xylophones like cows do milk. Or try creating your very own. I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, M is 1000.
Symbols represent units. I equals 1. V equals 5. X equals 10.
The most basic symbol in the Roman numeral system is I. This symbol represents 1 unit. Then there is V, which is the Roman numeral for 5 units, and X, which is the Roman numeral for 10 units. The remaining Roman numerals have developed and changed from other symbols over time, but it has become widely accepted that L represents 50 units, C represents 100 units, D represents 500 units, and M represents 1,000 units. Now that you know the symbols, there are 4 key rules that you need to learn in order to put this system of counting to use. First, if you are trying to write a Roman numeral other than one of the 7 you have already learned, you simply combine the symbols together by either adding or subtracting. Let's learn when you should add. Rule number 1. Rule number 1 says when the same symbol repeats, you need to add them together. For example, when you see the Roman numeral I, you know to add because the Roman numeral I is repeated. I plus I plus I equals I. Or 1 plus 1 equals 3.
1 plus 1 plus 1 equals
3.
Rule number 2. Rule number 2 says that when you have a smaller symbol after a bigger symbol, you add them. For example, the Roman numeral VI means that you are adding the smaller Roman numeral I to the larger Roman numeral V. V plus I equals VI. Or 5 plus 1 equals 6. I is smaller than V and comes after it, so you add them together. Sometimes Roman numerals require you to use both rules. For example, the Roman numeral for 7 looks like this: VI. First, you see that the smaller symbol I is after the larger symbol V. So you know you need to add them together. Then there are repeating symbols, I, which also means you need to add. V plus I equals VII. Or 5 plus 1 equals 7.